Good morning, children. From the exercise sums, exercise sum I completed. Example sums 424. Find the length of the tangents drawn from the point whose distance from the center of the circle is 5, radius of the circle is 3. From that, you take this one, the tangents outside, you draw, then here distance is 5, this distance is 3. This one is become a right angle triangle. Therefore, this one is opposite, this one is hypotenuse, this one is adjacent, this one you are going to find. Therefore, OP squared is equal to OT squared minus TP squared. Therefore, 5 squared is equal to 3 squared minus TP squared. Therefore, like this you find by a Pythagoras theorem. Okay, or OP squared is equal, OP squared is equal to OT squared plus PT squared by Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, 5 squared equal to 3 squared plus PT squared. Therefore, PT squared equal to 25 minus 6, you get 16. Therefore, square root of this one is positive value you can consider. Therefore, length of the tangents is equal to 4 cm. Next, PQ is the chord of the length of 8 cm to the radius 5. The tangents at P and Q at a point C. T. Find the length of the tangents TP. Find the length of the tangents P. See here. Let here PQ is the chord. Therefore, this is the chord. This is the exterior point. You take from exterior point. You take that exterior point and join this one. Next, you join that what? The diagram is given. Okay, this is the PQ. This two is PT and TQ is the tangent to the circle. OP and OQ is the radius of the circle. Then PQ length is given. PQ total length is 8 cm is given. If you take now, this is equally divided. Yes, sir. Therefore, up to here is 4. Here is 4 cm. Now, what you going to find now? First, you take O in triangle ORQ. ORQ. ORP. Sorry, in triangle ORP. This two length you know, this length you don't know. Okay. Therefore, you find 5 squared minus 4 squared, you get this length. Okay, Amma. That only you do. Therefore, 5 squared minus 4 squared, you get 25 minus 16, you get 9. Therefore, OR equal to 3 cm. Okay, Amma. Next, OT is equal to, OT distance is equal to, OT means this length you know, this length you don't know. Therefore, here you take, you now only find out 3. Therefore, 3 plus y. Therefore, this length is equal to 3 plus y. The 40 is equal to 3 plus. This is you consider equation 1. Next, in triangle PRT you take, and triangle PRT. PRT you take. This length you know, this length you don't know. Yes, sir. Therefore, PR squared plus RT squared. Therefore, 4 plus y the 4 squared plus y the whole square. 4 squared plus y squared. Therefore, you get TP squared equal to TR squared plus PR squared. And triangle OPT, OT squared is equal to TP squared plus OP squared. Substitute TP squared from 2. Then you get like this. Okay. Or you take this one is TP squared is equal to TR squared plus PR squared. Yes, sir. PR, this one. PR squared. Therefore, you get y squared plus 4 squared. Here you write y squared plus 4 squared. Okay, here y you get. Therefore, y squared plus 16. You get like this. Next, here y now plus or minus x. The pen triangle OPT, OT squared is equal to TP squared plus OP squared. OT squared. OT squared is equal to this one also. You don't know that values. This one you find out. S 3 plus y. Therefore, here you substitute. OT is equal to 3 plus y the whole squared is equal to TP squared. Therefore, that TP you don't know. Now only find out what is that. That one is y squared plus 16 plus OP squared. OP squared is 25. Okay. Therefore, that expansion is 9 plus 6y plus y squared is equal to y squared plus 16 plus 25. Y squared get cancelled. Okay, therefore 6y is equal to 31 plus 9, that is equal to 40. Therefore y is equal to 40 by 6, that is equal to 20 by 3. 31 minus 9. This is 41, sorry, 41 minus 9. Therefore 41 na 11 na 3, 3. Therefore 33. Therefore 33 by 6, that is equal to 11 by 3. 11 by 2. Maybe some wrong it will come. 6y is equal to 41 minus 9 na. Therefore minus better. 6y is equal to 41 na 11 minus 9, 2. 3, 32 only it will come. Sorry ma, 32. Therefore 32 by 6. If you cancel it, you get here this one is 16, this one is 3. You get 16 by 3. Therefore that answer is 16 by 3. But you know TP squared only you want. Okay, TP squared only you need. Therefore take TP squared equal to TR squared plus PR squared. Take that and substitute this value. Then you get what is a TP squared. Here TR squared is 16 by 3 the whole squared plus 4 squared. Therefore 256 by 9 plus 16. Take this square root. Therefore you get cross multiplication plus 144 by 9. If you add you get 400 by 9, or you simplify you get 20 by 3 centimeter. Okay children. Next one is in diagram. O is the center of the circle, PQ is the chord, and the tangent PR at P makes an angle of 50 degree with PQ. Find angle POQ. Find angle POQ. Listen, you take this diagram. Here 50 degree is given. O is the center of the circle. PQ is the chord of the circle. Then this one is PQ and PQOP and PR is parallel to the line. P make that angle is 50 degree with 50 degree with PQ. Find triangle which is sine angle OPOQ. PR is the tangent. Exterior point like that, tangent to the point. Okay, this is tangent. Understand? Tangents means it is make that 90 degree here. But this is for 50 degree na, this one it's automatically it's 40 degree. So the tangents na and the chord idu touch achuna it's make a tangents. Tangents na it automatically you take this is a 90 degree. But here 50 is given, therefore automatically you take 90 degree. Sorry, 40 degree. Okay, that only is given. OPQ is equal to 90 minus 50, you get 40 degree. Angle between the radius and the center is what? Next, OP is equal to OQ. OP is equal to OK. This is this is radius. These two is equal. Therefore, this is 40 degree. Now, this one also is 40 degree automatically, and it's become a isosceles triangle. Next, you take 40 degree plus 40 degree equal to sum of the angles in a triangle 180 degree. Therefore, 40 plus 40 80. 180 minus 80 is 100 degree. This one is a 100 degree. Okay, this one like given. Therefore, OP and OQ is equal to radius of the circle. Therefore, angle OPQ is equal to OQP. And this is P angle. This is angle is Q. But this one is 40. This one also 40. Therefore, sum of the angle is 180 degree. Therefore, 180 minus 40, you get 100 degree. Okay, Amma. Very important all the sums from this exercise. Next in 427, in triangle ABC is a circumscribing a circle. Find the length of BC. Okay, AM equal to 3 cm. Tangents drawn from an external point are equal. Okay, here the diagram is given. If you draw that external point, this triangle length is equal. The external, if you draw the tangents from an external point, that one is equal in length. That one you studied. That okay, Amma. Okay, this is given 3 cm. Here 4 cm. Here total is given 9 cm. But here 4 na this one also 4 cm. But this one is 3 naka automatically here you consider 6. Here also you consider 6. Okay, therefore Bn equal to Bl. Therefore Cm is equal to AC minus Em. Whatever I done that only, but you use that alphabet and minus and write. Next, what is this asking? BC. BC is 4 plus 6, you get 10 centimeter. Understand, Amma children? Okay, children. Next one. If radii of two concentric circles are 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter, find the length of the chord. One circle is which is the tangent to the other circle. This is the given. This is the chord. This is 4. This is 5. This length only you are going to find. If you find, automatically the double panel, this one also you get. Therefore, this is the right angle triangle. Therefore, use Pythagoras theorem and find 5 squared minus 4 squared, you get 9. That is the 3. Therefore, take 3 and multiply. Then you get the total length of the chord. Okay, children. Thank you, children.